Hi, and welcome to this course on Real World RX by Pact Publishing. This course will be presented by Shreyans Bhatnagar, and he will be your guide on this exciting learning journey. Shreyans uses rx.js on a daily basis, at work, mostly combining it with React and Redux. Being a full-stack developer, he often finds himself using Rx on Node too. Playing around with a few reactive libraries rx.js, most.js, bacon.js, and reactive frameworks like cycle.js. He absolutely loves writing functional reactive code. He is an avid fan of pure functional programming. He has played around with Haskell, Elm, and Erlang for a good extent and has some previous experience writing ClojureScript. These days, he is really digging ReasonML, a new interface on OCaml by Facebook. He started out as a back-end engineer writing Ruby applications using Rails, but quickly moved on to using JavaScript for both back-end and front-end. His hobbies vary from making Node-powered bots using Johnny 5 with Arduino to machine learning projects using Python libraries like scikit and TensorFlow. He loves building user interfaces and providing good user experience. Let's begin by giving you an overview of what you can expect in this course. We will start off with an Rxified Node application, where we will be making a Node.js-based chat application. We will set up our project and create the necessary directories and install necessary libraries for our application. We will then understand Express. We will add socket I/O for real-time communication. Lastly, we round things up by adding some final touches and error handling. Next, we dive into React. We will learn how to set up React and get an overview of how to use React applications. And finally, we will learn how to create a React-based application. In the last section, we will go all in with React and Rx, where we will be creating our chat application by using React and finally learn how to use Rx.js with React. Before diving into the course, let's have a look at some of the main prerequisites needed. Users should have basic knowledge of JavaScript and Node.js. Some knowledge on socket I/O will help them understand concepts better. However, this isn't a necessity. As for the goals of this course, first and foremost, you will learn to use Rx in real-world app by applying the same concepts. You will learn to use Rx in real-world app by applying some concepts on both back-end and front-end. You will start writing epic code using React middleware, specifically Redux Observable, to orchestrate the app. The course aims to teach the viewers to learn to install simple boilerplate for React and work with unidirectional data flow. Viewers will be able to create the chat interface, improve your code readability, and learn error handling. And that concludes the overview for React. Up next, we continue our journey by diving straight into the course.